Hello, welcome back to Belle's Reading Corner. Today we're going to talk about 8, the very tall elf. Once upon a time, there lived an elf named Ed. Ed was different from the other elves because he wasn't small. Ed was very, very, very tall. Ed could not sit on a branch with the little elves. He was just too tall. Ed could not play soccer with the little elves. He was just too tall. Ed could not read books with the little elves. He was just too tall. Being tall is no fun at all, cried Ed. One day, the little elf said, "Let's climb to the top of the hill." But Ed could not climb the hill. He was too tall, so he watched from the side. When they reached the top of the hill, the little elves had a picnic. "That looks like fun," said Ed sadly. After a while, a dark cloud appeared. It was about to rain. "Oh no," cried the little elves. "How will we get down from here without getting wet?" "I can help you," said Ed. He took off his cap and lifted it up to the top of the hill. "Hop in," said Ed. So the little elves did. Then Ed lowered the cap down to the ground. When the rain came, the little elves were safe and dry under a mushroom. "Hooray for Ed," said the little elves. "You saved the day." That made Ed feel great. After a while, the sun came out. "Let's go see the rainbow with Ed," shouted the little elves. So Ed put the little elves on his very big shoulders, and off they went. Okay, so that's the end of the story. Thanks for reading with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.